What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about data, right? Presenting data to all levels. What do I mean by all levels? When you're presenting your data should be talking to somebody as a CEO at that level, coworker, an intern. You should make sure that the data that you're presenting out is easy to read, easy in the eyes. As you can see, the data in front of us right now, it looks like a lot of numbers. I really can't tell from the first instant what I'm looking at. So what do? We're going to jump into that. We're going to help you turn your data to make it more interpretable, make it more seamless to read, right? Very easy tips and tricks. We're going to start. First thing I like to do, next to the A, to the left of the A column, there's a little shadow button right there. Click on that. That captures the entire worksheet. What we're going to do, what I like to do, is take the fill color and turn it white. So you can see now we just have a white sheet with a whole bunch of numbers. Still not sure what it is yet, but we're getting there. We're going to click on the headers. The first row, as you all know, is the headers. We're going to select the headers, and what I like to do is utilize the preset design sheets. What we're going to do, we'll use this Exit 1. As you can see, it's more bold now, so it stands out, right? These are the months that we're trying to capture. And we're also going to do for right here, the first column, we're going to do the same thing. You can change the color as well, but I'm going to stick to blue. As you can see, the data is starting to look more easy to interpret, right? Telling me, it's starting to paint that picture in my head. We're not done yet. We're going to copy all of the cells we have here. We're going to highlight them. And then what we're going to do, we're going to create borders, and I like to use all borders. It helps you to gauge with your eyes what cells, or what month in this case, a particular value is. Also, what I like to do as well, click back to that entire worksheet button. At least that's what I like to call it. And what we're going to do, we're going to select the middle alignment. And also what we're going to select is the center. As you can see, everything is more uniform. It's more clear. It's more easy to understand. And this helps. Let's say that you have some cells that's uneven. How do you fix that? How do you make everything, one size? What you're going to do is select all the rows that you want, as you see right here. And then go up to the A, B, C, D, and select the size that you think would work. So in this case, if I do this, this may be too small, right? So let's make it bigger. While everything is still selected, select in between B or C or any one of the rows and open it, right? And that spaces it out all equally. Some people like to just double click in between here, but I'm not a fan of that. I like to make sure it's a little more easier to read. It's not combined. You want some space in there. That's why I like to open it up myself and utilize it like that. Also, when you're presenting data, you want to be able to talk about the data that you have in front of you, interpret the data, right? So when you start to talk about interpretation, there's a lot of filtering that goes on in this. So what I like to do, click on the first row and go to sort and filter and click on filter. So if I need to jump in or talk about a particular store, for example, let's talk about store 12 and let's compare it with store 4. It's right here now. It's easy to read. There's nothing on the bottom. I call this noise. There's no noise. It's very simple. It's a clear white spreadsheet, easy to use, easy to read, very, very simple. All right, guys, that concludes. Feel free to let me know what you guys use. Thanks.